Welcome. In this video I will show you how to install Google Chrome web browser on your DELL Latitude 7410 laptop. First, open your default web browser, most probably the Microsoft Edge. Either go to a search engine or just open your path fields and search for Google Chrome, and then navigate down to the Google Chrome web browser. Unfortunately, it's in a different language for me, but I think you're gonna find the official google.com website. And so now at the middle of this page, just click the download Chrome button. Let me close this magnifier. And then run the Chrome setup file. At this point you can close your web browser, click yes, then wait until the Chrome is downloaded and installed. Now if you want to log into your Google Chrome Google account, you can click login, which is the blue icon right here. If you don't want to do this right now, click the white icon. Then if you want to set your Google Chrome as a default browser, you can click the blue icon. If you don't, click the white one. After that, if you want to enable the privacy security, the ads security feature, you can enable it by clicking right here. Otherwise, click no thanks and just proceed. After that, scroll down, click OK or got it, and at this point you can start using your web browser. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.